think from that perspective, we need to give them good recommendations, and we need to give them solid technology that is going to work for the long term and will not put them on an island right in the ocean. So I think we have a duty to develop the right solutions, right, and give the right recommendations, and have the right solutions in place for our clients.
And it's something that we saw also for bigger players that they don't want to build on a beta version in some way. They're looking for some signal of stability for a long time. But as the nature of this space and the nature of EAP and ERCs, um, I think that for what is infrastructure, we need to move through what is these open standards. Um, because when we see some proprietary compliance wrappers and integrations, becomes um, very hard to make custom builds or adapt to different jurisdictions, and it's impossible for one like cover every space and jurisdiction.
But I think that the technology that we are both developing, right, it is so generic that it can be applied in most jurisdictions. We are asset agnostic, chain agnostic, security agnostic. So of course, the solutions we develop, we try to make them as generic and generalized as possible, so they can be used anywhere. And now, hopefully, with standards such as this one, we can be even more uh, generic in our application of the technology, and yeah, the users can become less locked into a specific vendor ecosystem, more able to move across the ecosystem, but also more able to get value from their tokens, right? It'll become easier to have tokens that are minted on one platform to be listed on another platform or used as collateral on a third platform, and so forth.